Alright, jumping into another game with my Hound control deck. Kind of risky. Don't have both colors of mana, and a counterspell won't be able to cast for a while. Yeah, we'll go with this one. This one looks a lot better. Mm, yeah, I'll top it. On the play, I'll just go tap land go. Being able to Firebolt and Delver on turn 2 if I need to is good. Although, with the Scry, I probably should have played the Delver first because I know I would have flipped him. Oh, that was a waste on my part because I could have got in for 3 damage already. And now he's dead. That's what you get. Just gonna play the Evolving Wilds here. Tap it. Go get another blue source. Deck's a little heavy on islands with my current build just for mana considerations. But I do run 4 Deprives in the sideboard. So I like to have the option. I want to make sure I have an island in in the battlefield to be able to pick it up if I need to. Which against the deck that I think this could be Kadalpa Rebirth with Soul Sisters, or this more than likely is the artifacty one with the birds and stuff. If it's the bird one, these firebolts are going to be all stars. Sadly, no turn 3 play. There's a Squadron Hawk. This is definitely the Soul Sister build. Goes gets at least 2 more Squadron Hawks. Probably just 2, because otherwise he'd have to discard unless he has another 1 mana play. Gets greedy. Gets oh, there's an artifact, so there you go. Plays another Squadron Hawk. Okay, there's a Delver. Fry up a bird with 7 special spices and pass the turn. Draws another card. The axe gets in for 3 in the air. Burn spell or untap land. Mountain isn't bad here. So if I firebolt the guy with the axe, he's just got to equip it over. It's equip only of 1, so I think I just got to take my beats this turn and draw 2 cards. It's still, oh my. Well, next turn I got flashback firebolt. This is gonna go sideways fast. 5 in the air. Still holding 2 more hawks. So he's got nothing going on. He's probably just gonna play at least one of them. This is game one, so he shouldn't be so afraid of electrickery. There's the Skyfisher picking up a prism. So next turn he can draw another card off from prism. And cycles away a land. So in his hand he has prism. He has 2 Squadron Hawks left. I can Firebolt 1. Need more cards. Oh, where's my wheel spells? Okay. I think the plan is Firebolt the 2/2. Temper the 2/3. Everything's in the air anyways. So the Scav isn't going to do anything until I'm on offense. And we'll just pass it back. My deck runs a lot better when I can start looting. There's a lightning bolt. I'm taking 5. Sure. Sure. Draws a card. Plays a hawk. Gains 2 life. Not gonna help me. So no matter how I cut it, I'm taking 3 points of damage next turn. I'm on a 2-turn clock, even if I dump all my mana, kill the hawk and the hawk. Huh. Hawk. Okay. Just staring down. Pile of birds. Temper. Temper. Firebolt. 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 And I got one more draw step. And he gets to draw a lot of cards. If it untap land, I could play the Wretchgriff. That could actually buy me a turn. If he doesn't play the other hawk. Radiant Fountain. Sure. There's the last Squadron Hawk. He has no more to search. That is a tap land. Unless I hit 2 lightning bolts, I'm done. Well, 2 burn of the face spells. There's 1. Actually, the fact that it's instant speed means it's enough for 1 turn. Bring it, brah. Attacks. I lightning bolt him. I take 1. Am I gonna stabilize? Another flyer. Namath Rebirth. Yeah, I can't deal with that board. No matter what I hit with looting, I deal with that free combat. Or pre-sideboard. Concede. I could kill one of them. 2 if I hit looting, I still take 2 damage. Let's try sideboarding. So we want electricity. I don't think counterspell is worth it. He is playing bounce land, so Stone Rain can actually set him back a couple of turns. Griffs are cool and all, but let's go like that. Again, if the boarding works, this will be cool. If not, my deck usually deck submitted. Doesn't normally say that on the side. They've updated stuff again. Did we get it? View sideboard? Oh! Alright. Sideboarding has occurred. I have both colors. I have a turn 1 Delver. You and the captain. Let's see what happens. They do play a decent amount of burn, so he's got to dial on before I get to do anything cool. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'll reveal that. Play. He had to he had to assume I was probably going to board an electricity. Not the nicest thing to show on turn 2. Now I want to hit a Stone Rain. Alright. So let's spin the looting wheel. Get another faithless looting. And we'll throw the Sage for now because I got nothing in the yard and I have to hold on to him for a little bit. At the face. Swing for 3. Opponent's down to 11. Now we're rolling with the aggro plan. 3 mana. Prism. Float some mana. Sure. Another temper and another looting. Opponent's down to 8. Tap land. Ship it back. I am running laggy on time. Draws another card. No plays yield all. Another. Well, that's 5. See what I hit? Stone Rain. Do I do it? What I brought it in for? Let's kill 2 mana with 1 stone. Another core. And a tap land. Delver. Base. Base. Pass. I was gonna say has to kill Delver. Because if it flipped, I just had lethal on board. Draws another card. Gains another life. These guys are starting to become a liability. Alright, that undoes one of their attacks. I just need to draw a lightning bolt. Or a tormenting voice. There's the axe. Equips the axe. Or a 3-turn clock. Well, 2 more turns. To draw a lightning bolt. Or a firebolt. Picks up a gain land. So now I need lightning bolt. There's another stone rain. Not gonna help me. Looting. Oh my god. And you know what? Let's see. 1, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I can't flash it back. Electrickery isn't gonna help me. Draw 2. Those ain't gonna help me either. Yep, draws another card. Down to 1. Lightning bolt or bust. Picks up the gain land. Well, one, not exactly dead yet. If I hit a temper here, it's a careful study. Chuck the land, chuck the land. Careful study. Now he's got a response? Oh. Well, that'll do it. Alright. Good game. Never had such a hard time playing against this deck. Concede. And that's it. Well, thanks for watching.